Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update part 2 for Wednesday. A new day just began. Okay, so a lot of you have been requesting for me to do the second part. So the second part, I was telling even today, I think that I was talking about how we did make a bullish cross right over here, and I was talking about the fact that you might come down to back test this 10 EMA, which is maybe at the 228. Okay, and that's not a bad thing at all. But one thing I just noticed is that maybe SHIB is actually backtesting a very big level of support, and I'm going to show you that one. I don't know if it's on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I guess it's on the 15 minutes time frame, and I'm going to show you this one very quickly. I'm actually going to remove this fractal so that we can see clearly what's going on. So let's remove the EMAs, and all I'm going to do is drop the fib levels. And from the fib levels, what I'm going to do here is you went from this bottom all the way to the top right over there. You made a double top here on the 15 minutes time frame. All you did is actually you went to the upside, and now you came back down to the hold the 0.5 as a level of big resistance, and you also have this resistance right over here. But let me tell you one more thing. You see, this is the golden ratio, 0.618. So let's say you do go back down to the 225, okay? That's okay. If you start to lose the 225, then that's the problem. That's where the problem is going to be. And as long as you're holding this 225, if you do come down, by the way, you have a big support at the 237, okay? It's a huge support right now. And you might just bottom out from here and start to go to the upside. But if you start to lose the 0.5, it's okay to come to the 0.618, and that's where you have the 10 EMA on the daily. So I'm actually going to bring the 10 EMA and look where the 10 EMA really is. So the 10 EMA, it actually shows this yellow line that you see that is going up. This yellow line here is nearly 228, 226, and that's where the golden ratio also lies. Okay, so the 10 and the golden ratio are there. So you're doing good. You're doing good. As long as you're above the EMAs, you do have a bullish cross, by the way. That's the bullish signal, and I think the party just began. Okay, it's gonna be a wavy journey. Come down, bounce off the EMAs, go up, continue to go up. Now, unless you don't come down and lose this trend line, that's when I'm gonna say, hey, it's time to panic. Actually, if you start to lose this level, I'm gonna tell you 209. That's when the issue actually starts. Previously it was 190, but now it is 209. Lose the 209, we're in deep trouble, guys. And that's it for this second update. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new one, and if you want to learn trading, do check out my trading course as well, so that you can actually be good at by yourself, and learn how to trade the way I'm trading for you. And that's it. I'm gonna see you the next one. I love you.